Welcome back to Band e-learning, 8th grade band. This is Mrs. Hensel. I hope you're doing well. I hope you enjoyed your weekend and had some time to relax after some busy school days. Today, the plan is to watch this quick screencast and then take a quiz on Canvas. And we are today really diving into triplets and getting a stronger understanding of the difference between eighth note triplets and quarter note triplets. I hope you enjoyed playing quarter note triplets in Seven Nation Army. I thought that was fun. A fun song to play on your instrument, and also something you could do next year in pep band is play that song. So we're hoping to get more in-depth understanding today on quarter note triplets. And so what you can see on my screen here are two different triplet rhythms. In the first measure, these are eighth note triplets. And you can see they're a little smaller. There's more of them within the measure than below quarter note triplets. So how do I know if I have eighth note triplets or quarter note triplets? Well, there's a few different things that you're going to consider when trying to figure that out. First of all, the biggest difference is that these eighth note triplets are connected together with what we call a beam. This line at the top of the note that connects the three notes together is called a beam in music. And you see that beam with regular eighth notes, you see that beam with 16th notes, you see it here in these eighth note triplets. So if I go over here to this screen, this arrow is pointing to the beam in a set of eighth notes. So I can tell that these are eighth note triplets by the beam. These quarter note triplets do not have a beam connecting them together. You can see they're three separate notes. And so actually this bracket with a 3 is identifying that this is a triplet and these are quarter note triplets. Okay. Another way you can tell is that in a 4/4 time signature, these eighth note triplets each get one beat. So if I go back to this screen, you can see that eighth note triplets at the top, there's 4 different beats. Each triplet gets one beat. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. And in quarter note triplets, they're worth twice as much. They're twice as long. So instead of each being worth one beat, they are worth 2 beats. So this quarter note triplet spans over beat 1 and 2, and this quarter note triplet spans over just, beat 3 and beat 4. So if you wanted to listen to this, then this next example would be slower. So when trying to decide the difference between eighth note triplets and quarter note triplets, ask yourself, is there this beam connecting the notes at the top or not? Also look at the value. Is the triplet worth one beat or is it worth 2 beats? All right, after you're done watching the screencast, go back to Canvas and click on the button for today, and it should take you to the Canvas quiz. You can retake this quiz as many times as you need to until you feel really good about what you're turning into me, because I would like to use this quiz for a grade. Please let me know if you have any questions. I miss you guys. I hope you're doing well. I found some time to enjoy playing my instrument just for fun with no pressure, and I hope that you've found that as well. All right, talk to you soon.